Yum, yum, yum.
Kaya handmade eh. Ah, handmade ba?
Hey, handmade.
Okay.
Yum.
Walang karton. Walang karton, tissue.
Bakit? May tissue lang. Starbucks, please. Starbucks, please. Do your thing. Ang hirap. Do your thing, Starbucks. Saan? Pasok na tayo dyan. Oh, dyan tayo, ano?
Where the wind coming from the northeast, and we have a ground temperature of 28 degrees centigrade this morning. And estimating time of touchdown, traffic and weather permitting is approximately 9:30 local time here in Thailand. Time check for convenience, it's 52 minutes past the hour. So if you have myself, the rest of the crew, we would like to thank you and we hope to be of better service to you in the future. Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga sa lahat.
Hello, Thailand. Airport.
Adik. Ilang kaya naman yan? For real.
Oh my God.
Ay, ito
Oh,
meron.
wow.
199 ba?
About this one, this is 449.
Grabe naman.
Ano difference din?
God.
Hindi, ito, small one.
Oh my God. Beka, oh my God, really? It's like, oh my God, 449. Diba, yung niluluto ni Mano. Chok, chok, chok. Night market, it's still day, but it's night market. Yan, doon tayo sa loob. Chok, chok, chok. Ayun o, next chok, chok, chok. Chok to chok park dito.
Mayroon na sa tuktak.
Chok chok Nenet Park. PWD. Ay, PWD siya. Ay! Chok to chok park.
Diyan na sila eh.
Angay. Bila ako tapos nadaling ko pag uwi. Pwede. Tingnan mo ang ano. Ay, wala. How many days dapat?
Oo, dalawang pantulo. 300 lahat yan.
How much?
Pwede po.
Ay, maganda yan. 300. Hindi.
Chloe.
Yung saka.
Ay, gusto ko ba sa mining? Nag-oversize naman yan.
Ang ganda ni ate eh. Ganda oh. Nagtitinda lang yan ng ano. Diba, saging lang. Pak na pak si ate, 40 baht lang oh. Masarap oh. Tikman natin yan mamaya oh. 40 baht. No change. Sige, okay na yan. Okay na yan. Partner na lang white t-shirt. Idadaan sa likod mo. Hindi ako, ako lang. Ay, tanggalin mo yung bisita. Diba? Yan, dyan. Tingnan mo. Oops, oops, oops. This one. One only. Grabe, ang ganda, no?
Sa semento yan. Kaya tayo.
Ano inumin mo?
Ha, ito.
GPS signal lost.
Chili. Yes, please. A little. Ano?
Sauce. Walang sauce.
Tama ba yung in-order ko?
Walang ano.
GPS signal lost.
Parang ito. Lakas makasosyal. Lakas maka-FM.
Mini Destiny Black ng Grace. Kita mo dapat masasok ng bago ito. Tapos meron siya dalawang open compartment. And then wala sa
GPS signal lost.
Tama.
Anybody come here and move here for the payment? You cannot. You need to go that way.
Pasay nata dito. Hindi. Long, ano yan eh. Yun siya eh.
Yves Saint Laurent. Saan pala? Nakalagay Yves my brand.
Salaran. Bottega, Bottega, Bonnet. Bonnet.
Ayun, meron doon sa green. Wala yata yung bag ko niya. Teka lang yan. Ang lagi. Wala.
House of Bunny yan, House of Bunny. Bottega.
Ito meron dito.
Say how much? Ask mo. Ask mo how much?
200,000.
Guys, so do you want to go to the ER? Let's go inside. Go inside. It's a joke. It's a joke. You have to do a schedule.
Kita na kunyari papasok ka.
Parang wala akong nakikita.
Touch the butt. Touch the butt. Ah! Bad girl.
Touch the butt. Touch the butt. Uy!
Ikaw po ba yan?
Yan na, parang yung ano. Horsey. Wings. Chicken wings.
Smell delicious. Five.
Pugsley. Pugsley. Bango? Oh, chimken. Turo mo pa dyan.
Pati si Kuya. Si Kuya kasama. Layo ka kasi.
Hindi, naka-zoom in yan. Nakasilip si mama.
How about this? Banana. 20 ba also?
Butchi.
Hmm.
Butchi.
Butche. Ayan, dito oh. This is Thailand ATM. May CCTV. They welcome all cards. How much? What's the best? How much? 20 baht?
Yes. Durian, strawberry, taro, coconut, chocolate, lemon.
What's the best seller?
Coconut and durian.
Coconut and durian. I like durian.
Ito ano?
20 baht. Best seller daw is durian and the coconut. So let's taste. What's this? It's ano? Homemade.
May barya ka. Pera mo na ako, para hindi ka nagagalayan.
Ano ba?
Strawberry. Kaya wait. Baka walang barya. Wala. Yun. Patay na to sa
Yung size na yun, no?
Ano daw best seller?
Durian. Ito yung durian yung mabaho eh. Kaya hindi nakakain si Shai. Hindi kasi natin kapitbahay to kaya para ano. Sarap coconut nila. Alam ko sa atin lang ang ano, best ang coconut ha. Cute no? One piece is $7.15. Oh, so in the market of Bangkok, the market beside is the Big C. In front of the Big C is the Central World. There is the Central World. So that's the traffic. I'm walking at Ratchaprasong Walk. Ratchaprasong Walk. So this is the Ratchap. So I'm walking. This is the Central in Thailand. Look, Central World. Hello. I'm at Central World. Look how big the Central World is. That's the Bangkok street food. Central World. Thailand.
Hintay ko lang, nawawalo pa lang tungkod niya.
Mami Ebi na?
Entrance oh, huwag na tayo ka mainit.
Labas tayo, tapos.
Diba?
Sila mo, parang mga friend talk lang na.
Ayoko nga.
Mura lang, 54, 58. Ito nga, 660. Parang sa atin din.
Yung sa akin din. Kaya pala po pumasok ka.
Bango eh, bagong-bango ako. Gutom na ako. Ito, tingnan mo parang sarap-sarap ko.
Nakakulong yung itlog. Itong matcha ba? Floss to.
Ito,
4 plus.
at hindi marunong magsara eh.
Pakita mo sa kanya.
What?
Yung app.
Oo. Panood ko din yun.
Salamat. Salamat. Ano? Salamat po. Yeah.